Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a hot air intake on your vehicle. So the first thing you're going to want to do is actually order an air intake for your vehicle. You can find plenty online. They sell lots of them on eBay, specifically for your vehicle. Or you can do like I did and actually get an aftermarket one and make it work for your vehicle, if you're able to do that. So let's get into the install. First, you're going to locate the air box on your vehicle, you know, where you change the engine air filter. You're going to follow that box, you're going to follow the hose. This one actually is behind the bumper, so you're not going to be able to see it in this video, but you're going to go ahead and follow the hose, and then you're going to see that it goes right into the throttle body, just like this. And what you're going to do is, normally it's held down by a flathead screwdriver or a Phillips. You're going to go ahead and unscrew it, and then you can go ahead and pull the hose off. Any remaining hoses on your vehicle that go to this and then go to the air box, you can actually remove it from your vehicle if you're able to. The box is usually held down by a couple like 10mm bolts or somewhere around there. You can go ahead and eliminate all that because you're not going to need it anymore. After you eliminated all the hoses and the air box, if you're able to, you can go ahead and install the intake. As you can see, the install is pretty straightforward. You're just going to go ahead and hook the hose up on this end, and then you're going to go ahead and tighten it down just like I did with this flathead screwdriver. Also, if you have another hose that was going into the air box, it's going to go right into this part right here. If not, you're going to get a little breather like this one and install it. After that, you're good to go. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.